Meyer Woodworking on YouTube. This is Mike Meyer, of course, and this is my intro to my YouTube channel. Basically what I want to do is join the community, as everybody out there already has a lot going on, but you know, maybe I can offer something special or different, or even get help from you, which I really need. I started about 12 years ago. We built this house of ours, and the builder was shoddy, and I'm around fixing stuff all the time. So I did a lot of trim work, doors, and as you can see up here, I'm also doing some of the outside work that fell down due to them not doing it properly. So basically what I want to do it for is because I had an accident about 2.5 years ago where I ended up taking off a finger and wrecking my hand due to running it through a table saw with a little kickback, or it was a featherboard that let loose, I don't remember. But it was very painful and very excruciating, and I didn't want to do anything for a while, so I kind of let it all go. Just lately, I just wanted to get back into it. I went out and got another table saw. It's a Delta. I don't remember the one, so I'm slowly want to get back into woodworking. I'm going to take you to my shop right now, which is basically a 12 by 21 foot one-car garage that I kind of cut off. And I still don't know if I want to do all hand tools, or if I want to go into power tools, or a little mix of both. But that's something that a journey that we'll all take together if you want. The other thing that I know is my shop is pretty messed up, because all I did after the accident was kind of throw everything around. I had to pull things out to do things, and it's pretty discombobulated. So this is going to be one of the first projects that I think I would ask you guys all to help me out with, because I might have some questions. So I'm going to just kind of basically take you through what I got. I'm going to clean it out, and we're going to put it back together to a functioning workshop from ideas from me and possibly some ideas from you. So if you have any, as I go through here, please put a comment down below. I appreciate it. And now, let's take a little tour. So as you can see, it is a small single-car garage workshop. I have a whole bunch of products to use. I have a bandsaw that I'm still working to get up and running, but I bought it for 75 bucks on a, I don't even know, I think it was one of those Craigslist. And then this is the new table saw I have, and this is a Delta. I think it's a, I forget which one, but I have a project for it to put on a outfeed table. So I have ideas for that. That's one of the things we'll have to do first. Got old Grizzly dust cleaner. Needs to be rehooked back up and changed and fixed up. I have a Grizzly planer. That thing's out of whack since I haven't used it for a couple years, so we'll have to adjust that. I did do some sort of clamp organization, yeah, but I want to get it better. It does take a lot of wall space, just the way it's laid out, so that's another thing we need to do. I have some storage up on top there, and again, it's all closed up. Don't know what's in there or anything. It was just something I copied. Well, you know, wanting to just do something and store things, and so I'm really needing help with storage and how to lay out a shop and stuff like that. So that's why I want to take this all out, just for hindsight here. I did have a miter saw that I had on a fixed base, which you can see right here. It's a big, tall MDF table, but it was just taking up so much spots, and I did finally make a mobile one, which I'll show you later, and kudos to fix this and build that for their plan. Sorry, this is my first one. I have a couple of nice tables. I got a hand woodworking table here, which I'll show you once we get it all cleaned out. And I got my first one here, which was more of a power station tool, semi-hand tool. table, so we got those to work with. And then I got a bunch of storage in the back. That's just, again, storage. It's just, you know, is there rhyme or reason? No. That's why I don't remember where I put the stuff, so it's something that I want to get done first, the organization of this shop. So we have a little bit of everything, as you can tell. It is very discombobulated right now. I have a little shelf for the wood. Otherwise standing wood right now. My flow-off pieces and just jigs and stuff that I just got laying around and not working. And so my first shot at this all is just that I'm going to take this all out, put it over to the other side of the garage, and then get it all kind of painted up, get it a little brighter. Right now it's just the sheetrock. We'll be taking down the lights and things like that, and updating the lighting, and I got a few people I'm going to kudo for that. Shop Nation, thank you. And I'll put a link below and stuff like that so you can see what I'm going to be using. But basically, this is where I'm at. Heating and cooling sucks. It's really kind of sweltering right now. Thank goodness I can open up the garage today. But when I can't, you know, then it's sweltering. I'm sweating. I'm a sweatful person right now, but I'm sweating all the time anyways. And in the winter, it's just so cold I can't even get out here. I run these electrical, what do you call them? Those infrared zooms, things like that, or a zone comfort or something. It works. It heats up the area, but here in Wisconsin, it gets down sometimes below zero. Even when it gets down into 20 degrees, it's just not conducive to come out here and work. And so I really aren't able to put in the time to do the woodworking. I do a lot. I mean, my big thing is I follow a lot of people. I buy their plans. I watch their channels, but I don't do no woodworking myself. So I kind of want to reverse that. Maybe it's enjoyable to see their stuff and ideas, but I never put those ideas into perspective. So I'm into work, and so I think that's what my goal is to do, and hopefully we can do this together and grow this channel together and take you on my journey. And that's all I have to say. But thank you for taking this time to talk to me or listen to my intro, and hopefully, if you're interested, you know, subscribe below and join me on my journey. Thanks. And remember, you know, making is part sweat and dust. So, thank you very much.